Welcome. In this episode, I will bring you some spring footage from the vintage market days as well as a thrift with me portion from a thrift store here locally. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. I'm headed to the vintage market days in Logan. My sister and I and my daughter all do this every year, and it's so much fun. So I wanted to bring you some footage of it, and look how beautiful it is for the drive up. Hey guys, we're here in Logan at the vintage market days, and I just want to give you some footage of what we can expect getting in here, and we're going to be giving you some footage on a few of the booths, and hopefully you have fun. They had so many cute things of vintage items, antiques, as well as handmade items, and all of the booths were just packed with some cute items, and we just love going to see all the different things that you can find, unique pieces, and we always end up picking up something for our home that, you know, we couldn't find anywhere else. So I really hope that you enjoy this footage, and I'll just let you watch. We did have a lot of fun, that's for sure. Comment down below and let me know if you have a vintage market days in your town. It's always fun to go hang out with my sister, her daughter-in-law, and my daughter. It's a really fun tradition that we do twice a year. I hope you enjoyed my footage, and stay tuned for more. If you're new here, I just want to take some time to welcome you and to tell you a little bit about my channel. I intend on doing a lot of thrift with me videos where I take you along with me to the thrift store and either find some unique items I can place on my Etsy shop or that I can transform into something more beautiful. Then I will take those items and do a thrift flip video for you so you can see how I transformed it and styled it in my own home. So I hope that you enjoy this channel, and I hope that you will like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm headed to my favorite thrift store in our local town, the Deseret Industries. So I'm going to start off with the tin section, the metal section, and this was super cute. That would be cute for a girl to put some notes in or anything that she wanted. And some cute tins here today, but I'm not into the more modern pieces, and I'm looking for that vintage or antique tin. But there are some cute collectible ones, and if it's really cute, I'll pick it up. But this is the perfect spot for a person to get tins for Christmas time if you're giving away, you know, homemade goods, and it's perfect for that and inexpensive. So we're here in the wood section now, and I found this cute recipe box. It's vintage and it's really cute, but I looked in there and it looked like some of the beans that are in there were missing. I thought about getting it and then I put it back. But I always tend to try to find things that I can redo for cute signs and that in the wood section. This was a perfect easel to put just about anything on. You can paint it, stain it, and it was a really good, well-made one. So I always pick up easels for all kinds of purposes. And just kind of looking through to see if there's anything that I really want. Lately, the wood sections I haven't really been too excited about, but sometimes I do find some pretty cool things. So here I found this cute Santa planner, and I've got a few of them already, and I've found some other things here you'll see at the end, and it was just really a fun trip to find this stuff. I didn't really find a ton of stuff this time, but not my normal, but I do love to go. This was really cute. It was more modern, and it would have been really cute to decorate with. And like I said, I tend to look for things that I'm going to either resell or collect myself or use in my home. And I try to not pick up everything just because of budget-wise. These tins were really cute, and I almost was going to get them, but they looked kind of scratched up on the front of them. See, look how cute they are. And that one, I should have got that one. I don't know why I didn't pick him up. Santa is my favorite. Always check the metal sections for silver type items, because they could be real silver. And you never know, you might find a fortune in the thrift store. And here's just a few things I didn't show you before that I'll show you at the end as well. Well, I'm back home, and as you can tell by the footage, I didn't get a lot of it, just because I feel uncomfortable when I'm videotaping at the thrift store. In the aisles, people are, there's a lot of people in the aisles, and then they're rushing you to move along, and then they look at you weird and wonder what is she taking a video of this stuff for? So I feel kind of uncomfortable, but I did get what I could, and so now I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I got. Okay, so you saw most of this in my cart, but look at this cute set for any coffee bar or just in your kitchen. I thought those were super cute, and once we repaint our kitchen, I'm going to hang these up under a shelf or above a shelf, and not sure how, but I just loved them. So I'm keeping those for myself. And then of course I love Santa, and I always find these planters this is my third one I found. I'm not sure if I'm going to even sell that one. I might keep all three and line them up together with pine trees in them. And then that one was only $1. So that's a good find. They run about $30 on eBay and $35 on Etsy. So I scored on that one. So this little guy is a salt shaker, as you could see, and has the little bottom on it. And I found one a while back that was a single, and I just love Santa, so I just grabbed him, didn't want to leave him alone, and now I found a partner for him, so I have a complete set. And these were so beautiful. Look at this. They're shells, and they're Napco, and vintage, very vintage. And there were two of them. I found one, and then I totally missed the other one, and went back through the aisle, thank goodness, and found the matching pair. So those are a really good find for me. Those were $2.50 a piece, and there's no chips or cracks or anything on them, so I was pretty surprised by that. but I thought those were super, super cute. And those would probably go up on my Etsy shop. Oh, I'm knocking stuff over. And this I'm gonna keep for myself and just clean it up. It, you know, I don't know if it's even silver plated, but I know it's old. And the only marking I saw was on, where did it go? Oh, I'm gonna drop everything. It was right here. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. And it says Hong Kong. So I know it's old, and I'm gonna clean it up and use it for my own decor in my vintage walkway, the entryway. So I just love that one. And that one was $1.50. Then I have this beautiful thing. I thought this was a gorgeous piece. I'm not sure what it is used for with the two handles, but it's got the gold pieces on it. I don't know what it is, what kind of gold on it, but the gold trim on the top, and it's not wearing off. And I found a few dishes with that too, so I might put it as a set. And then the hobnobs on the bottom, and that one's 75 cents. And I'll put that one on my Etsy shop for 35. Then you come over here. I didn't get this previously. I mean, didn't get this tonight. I got it previously, and I just love it. And that one's gonna be on my Etsy shop too. And I paid $1 last time for that one. But I was comparing because I found this beautiful cobalt. It's hard to see the color. There you go. With a candle that's in it. And I only paid 50 cents for that one. And that one's gonna go on my Etsy shop as well for about 24. And then there's this pretty vase. I just collect the clear vases and that to put in my collection, and that one's just gonna go in there. I have to clean it up pretty good, but it's probably a $10 vase, and I spent 75 cents for that one. Then we have these cute creamers, and this one looks like it's from the 50s, and it's hard to see it, but you can see this etching. And these I spent 50 cents a piece on them, and these are gonna go in my personal collection too. Get this one here. This one's really pretty. Look at how pretty that is, and the etching along the top. Just so pretty. And they were 50 cents a piece. And then I just had to get this. This was actually under this stack like this when I got them, so I just grabbed them all because this set here of 3 nesting together of that splattered looking paint, the green and red, I've seen that before and thought I better get it because I think it's 60s if I'm right. It might be 50s, and it's very vintage, I know that, and they go for about 35 for the set. And I'm not sure if I'm keeping those or selling them. It's hard to decide if I want to keep things or sell them. And I just grabbed this. This is a $35. I paid 75 cents for it, but it goes for 35 on Etsy. And it's just the first Stars and Stripes, and it talks about the flag and how it was made. And this here is such a beautiful piece. Look at that. Hand painted. If you can see it. There we go. Look how pretty. And then it opens up. And looks like it's a Catholic type thing with the saints. Yeah, it looks like the saint. And I'm not sure which saint that is. But I found a similar one on Etsy that they wanted $125 for it. So I don't know if this is the same or if I'm just looking at the wrong thing. But it looks really old. It doesn't look newer or handmade. I mean homemade. It's handmade but not homemade. But look at the carvings on the back. It's so beautiful. So I'm not sure if that's gonna go on my Etsy or not either, because I love the religious type things to collect. And then the last thing I have is just this wooden easel that I can use in my booth for a platter or a picture of some sort. I think I spent $1 for that. So not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, and some books. I forgot those. These are just for decoration, so I'm just going to use them to stack, take the covers off and stack them somewhere in my living room. I have black and white, and so the actual books are black and white, so I can take those off, except I thought this one was funny. Don't bite me, I'm Santa Claus. So I had to get it just to keep out for Christmas. I don't know, maybe I'll have to read it and see what it's about, but I thought it was funny. So there you go, and I hope that you enjoy, and let me know if you are interested in anything. Please comment down below, tell me what your favorite thing is, and also keep coming back, because I am planning on having more videos, and I apologize for being MIA for a while, but I have a lot of plans for my channel coming up, and I just want to make sure everything is just right. So there we go. Thank you, and have a good day.